Here we go.
Mother has arrived.
Hello.
And she has a bag of goodies. So I thought we would unbag the bag of goodies for you. So here she is, Solo.
Hi everybody.
So what have we got?
They are, I don't know, 7 years. So they'll be
Arias. She got all the kids the same leggings.
They are
Mikas. In the Silent Next.
These are
Foxies. What do you say?
Thank you.
that for Ari.
Oh my goodness, you'll love that.
And I got you this.
Oh, how to have a happy cat. Oh,
Well, I
thank
think
you.
having got 4 cats, it might be a good idea.
Yeah.
I bought a headband the other day, but I wasn't quite too sure how to put it on.
Just put it on.
I don't know how.
You just put it on like a hairband, like that.
Right, okay, see what you think. What, like that?
Yeah.
Just push it back.
Yeah, that's it.
What's that look like?
Oh, I like it.
Is it?
Yeah, look, there's a mirror around there. I like it. You've probably got a little bit too far back. I like it. It's nice.
Okay, right. I just thought that'd be a bit different.
Little baby
I
Toto.
got a brand new school cardigan with a tag on still.
Oh, lovely. That's perfect for Ari.
For £1.
That's good. That's literally the ones that Ari has.
Then I got you.
Oh, my new mate. I smashed one of these the other day. Thank you.
Alright. Then I saw these 2 nice mats.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
And then there's some books. There's
This is all charity shop stuff, by the way. Other than the
the
next one.
Jumblies.
The Jumblies. Oh, they've got one similar to that, but not that one.
Right, okay.
Oh, look, Foxy, new books. Should we read? Oh, look at this one. Should we read them?
This one is more for Mika and Aria.
Oh, they'll like that.
And then this one is more for Fox.
Oh, they'll love this. No, look, it's a pop-up book, Foxy. Look, come here. Look. Oh, wow. Don't squash him.
I just thought it was really cute.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pull this. Look, Foxy. Pull this one. Pull it. It's a bit tricky. Oh, it's glued. I can't do that.
Oh, it doesn't want to play. There's a crocodile and a hippopotamus. And what's this one? Elephants. And what's this one? Giraffe.
Fancy cat.
And then there is a couple of little dresses. I don't know if they'll fit Mika and or Aria.
Oh, that'll fit.
That'll
That'll probably
fit
fit.
Ari.
That might fit Mika.
And then there's
She
this
wears
one.
leggings with it.
Beautiful.
Oh, Mika's going to steal that. She's going to want that one. Aria will want the leopard print anyway.
Matilda's wardrobe.
A zebra.
I don't know if you've got the right light fitting for it. But a proper disco bulb that revolves.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
And that's the end.
Amazing. Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you. Bloody cat, get off my laptop. Get
That's
off.
done.
Thank you.
It's alright.